Hi, so today we are going to learn how to write an exemption application for the accused. So, what happens when you're dealing with criminal cases? Sometimes the accused, if he's out on the bail, cannot really be present for every date in the court. Maybe sometimes he's sick, or sometimes some of his relatives are sick, or maybe someone in his family has died, or he is traveling somewhere, or whatever the reason might be. It should be a genuine reason though. So, in such cases, you are supposed to write an exemption application. So, the judge will tell you that either you submit an exemption application or I'll issue a warrant against your client. So, most of the judges they let go of one absence or two absence of the accused if the accused is repeatedly remaining absent, and also there is no proper reasonable reason for his absence, no exemption application is on the record, that the court will definitely issue a warrant against the accused. Now, how to write this exemption application? So firstly you start with the usual in the court of sessions judge. Now, if you are filing this application before a JMFC court or a Metropolitan Magistrate Court, then you are supposed to write this in accordance to that. You could write in the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class or in the Court of Metropolitan Magistrate, and then here you're supposed to write down where this court is located. Okay, for example, at Andheri or whatever the case is. Okay, then you're supposed to write a case number over here, case number with the proper prefix as we have discussed in the earlier video. Here it could be sessions case number. If this is before a JMFC court, then it could be RCC number so and so, or it could be summary case, then it could be a SSC number so and so. So that is about it. This is the case number. Then again the party's name, usually it is state versus accused. Yeah, sometimes in private complaint, in private cases, complaint cases, there are two parties over here, so whichever is your party you can write the name over there. Next, application, coming to the subject, again very important. If you just write this uh, subject, that application requesting exemption of presence of accused number, then immediately the judge might not even just read everything over here, they might just directly grant it and write an exhibit on the top of it. Yeah, so yeah, so application requesting exemption of presence of accused number, whatever the number of your accused is. If in your case there is one single accused, then you need not write this stuff. You can only write application requesting exemption of presence of the accused, and that's it. Okay, in cases where you have more than one accused, you are specifically required to mention the number of the accused, and over here you can also, for uh, more convenience, you can also write the name of the accused number 6 Mr. ABC. Okay, now why this is very important is, often what happens is, if there are 6 plus or multiple accused in one single case, and if not every accused is remaining present, sometimes the court clerks accidentally issue warrant even on those, even against those accused who have remained present in the court for every date. So in such situations, this needs to be very clear, very crystal clear. This number needs to be very important, and it should be clearly mentioned over here what number of accused are you appearing for, or for whom is this application being submitted. Then as we proceed, may it please your honor that the above mentioned matter is pending before this honorable court and is posted on today's board, that due to certain unavoidable circumstances, the accused number, whatever his name is, and you can also over here write his name, is not able to attend the court today, hence it is, and is hence unable to remain present before this honorable court. Now, one thing that you can keep in mind is, here I have written due to certain unavoidable circumstances. Give medical reasons only when you know that your client will be able to support this with a proper medical certificate. Otherwise, the court will hold you liable in most of the cases that you told that there is a medical reason, so show us the certificate. If it is not available with you, then how are you writing medical reasons? Okay, so whatever reason that you put in here, be very careful about it. Okay, hence it is prayed. So this is your prayer paragraph. Hence it is prayed and requested before this honorable court to kindly excuse the accused number, whatever the number is, for not remaining present before this honorable court for the day and grant an exemption. Then the place of the court, date, and advocate for the accused, and your signature over here. Here you affix a 5 rupee ticket, and of course the usual format is to be followed, 5:3, so that the court gets ample amount of space to pass the order over here. So this is how you write an exemption application. Make sure you're writing down the accused number clearly, and make sure every day that your accused remains, for every date when your accused is remaining absent, you are supporting it with an exemption application, else warrant will be issued against your client. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.